Nestled in the scenic landscape of Itaipava, Brazil, Ardósia House, designed by the Architectare studio, is carefully divided into social and private sectors, ensuring that leisure areas do not interfere with intimate spaces. This design philosophy is reflected in the layout of the access points. Visitors arrive at the ground level, while residents enjoy privacy on the lower floor, which is strategically embedded into the hillside to maximize privacy and make the most of the steep terrain. The main volume is arranged in a V-shaped plan, with its exterior clad in slate panels. Crossing the reflecting pool and reaching the entrance hall, one gains access to the staircase leading to the lower floor and the home's other leisure areas. To the left are the game rooms, featuring a bar and TV lounge. The interior offers a warm and inviting atmosphere with brick walls and pine wood finishes. Cutouts in the main volume allow the garden to extend into the interiors, bringing the outdoors in while also providing natural lighting inside. To prevent the space from becoming too dark, the flooring was executed in light apple-coated granite. Located on a steep plot with access from the top, the house required a cut into the terrain to better accommodate the program and ensure privacy from the street. This excavation created a small embankment that helps isolate the road, while the lower floor's roof serves as a base for the ground level, expanding the plateau area. This solution also contributed to reducing the apparent volume of the construction, making it more discreet and visually appealing, as half of the building could be embedded into the landscape. Positioned at the edge of the house, the infinity pool serves as a protective barrier without the need for a guardrail, ensuring unobstructed views. To the right of the entrance, the dining room, kitchens, gym, and sauna can be found, with the latter cantilevered at the far end of the structure to take full advantage of the view. The lower floor, built directly on the ground and offset from the upper level, houses 4 suites with direct access to the garden, along with a wine cellar and part of the service block.